Then pull the lid forward. There's a stick. Right, when everything's clear, pull your hood sticks out. And then just use them gently to pull the hood up. Oh, don't make my spring shut again. It's okay. The important thing is not to put any strain on that. Always push until they're lined and then push on that.
Right.
Don't break. Push till they're aligned. Push on the end, not here. Get hold of your hood, bring it over and engage it on these. Like that. When they're done, swing it over. Make sure your catches are free. Push it down until it's nearly home. And then from inside, push the catches up. 1. And 2. Then these 2 like that. This is to protect the rear window. You can use any suitable cloth as long as it's soft. Lastly, if you've got Velcro here, pull these down like that, so you get a nice weather tight seal. And raise your side bins. And lastly, your hood bin. Job done. That's it. To make sure your hood will fold in. That's the most important thing. Remember to do those. If you're raising or lowering the hood, it's also much better to have your side windows down. Much easier. Okay, raise this up and just pop the catch above the toggle. Okay. I lay that cloth across here, like that, to protect the window, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay. hold it like that, raise that up and allow the Velcro to unlatch, and then let this hoop drop down and it'll pinch the towel in place. Pull that right over the back. These hood sticks sometimes do fall out automatically, that's fine. I haven't got the springs on my hinge pins, but some people still got them. They fall off, they tend to fall off, and I just find them a nuisance. And when you're like that, you're now ready to put the hood in. So hold this one, keep all these folded back, and just gently lower it in. Gently roll up and let it follow in. So don't roll it tight, roll it loose, and then push it in. Okay. Okay, so we're going to roll it, hold that towel in place, bring this over, and then just roll it gently. Don't roll it tight, roll it gently until the curve is following the curve of the rear of the aperture. So the curve on the head rail needs to be like that, not the other way around. Then just lower the hood in on top of it. Now what you're doing is you're actually holding this material out like that. That's why that cloth's there, to protect the window. And then you just gently lower it in. Now there's some resistance. You have to make sure these hood bins go in, these hood frame go in. And this one here, you push it in and push it down. And then lastly, just tuck the material behind the metalwork on the hood bins. And again here, and then should go down nice and neatly. And then when it's down, you should be able to close these. That's one. And that's the second one. Don't push too hard and damage your material on your hood. Once you've got it right, over you go, and then just gently pull them into place. But early series cars will always get scratches here, you can never avoid it.